Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this Blender tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a 360 degrees rotation in Blender, right? So it's very cool and it's really awesome. This way you can present your work in a really cool way, I love it. I love this, turnaround where people can see your work. Anyways, now let's start the video. So what you have to do, it's very easy. Just press on your keyboard Shift plus A. You can also go here to Add, and here make sure you go to Empty. And you can use one of this. You can also use plane axis, and you can also use sphere, cube, circle. I like to use sphere because it makes more sense to me. Like I can see the circle here, and I know that inside this sphere, sorry, not circle, sorry, this sphere is my project, is my work. But here I have just a cube. It's just a cube is important. We have to give this cube more importance, so I'm gonna use this cube. All right, this cube is important and deserves more. So now just make sure you select this sphere being the last one, and now you just have to press on your keyboard Ctrl plus P and make sure here you select Object Cube Transform. All right, perfect, great work. Now when I move this circle, the cube should move as well, and it moves, so it's great. Now make sure this cube is right in the middle, press N, and here make sure the location is if you like go like this and just go down 0, and I was right in the middle. Perfect, you're doing great. And now just go to 1, and here we have to select this UV sphere, and then just press on your keyboard I. And now we need to insert a keyframe, a rotation keyframe. And now I'm gonna make this 180, or sometimes I just go for 100 or 130. That's my favorite range. And then I'm gonna go at the end of the video, the end of this animation, and I'm gonna put here, go to 130, and I'm gonna select this sphere, and I'm gonna press on my keyboard R to rotate, X, Z, sorry, not X, Z. And on this axis, I'm gonna rotate this cube 300, 300, 1 second. So as you can see here, 360 degrees, we're gonna rotate this cube. So press R or Z and 360. And now just make sure you press I and rotate here. Now you can also see here this is moving 360, and you can also see that it's moving, so everything works just fine. But now if you want to just tweak some of the settings here, you can just press on your keyboard T, and in here if you press T, this is what you get, and you have this set keyframe interpolation, and here you have a bunch of settings. For instance, you can just use linear, which is there's more simple. Press A, T, and linear, and now it's very linear. But you can also use bonds, but I don't think it's what you need. Maybe you can use for presenting your work, why not? T, and you can try maybe back, or this is the default one, or just constant, which is not moving. And yeah, or linear, but make sure you select the keyframes, by the way. So yeah, I really hope guys you found this helpful. I hope you learned something. I hope this eased your way into journey into Blender. I hope this eased the process. If like this helped you in this journey of learning Blender. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.